Hi all. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steve, and I'd like to give a big welcome to the new members of English Language C1 Advanced, C2 Proficiency. If you've joined recently, it means that you took the trouble to answer the membership questions. Thank you. A great many of my videos concentrate on becoming familiar with and using chunks of language. After all, that's how we learn our own language as a child. We learn language in chunks. Chunks include fixed expressions, collocations, phrasal verbs, and idioms. Of course, grammar is very important, especially if you're intending to take an exam. But as a matter of fact, at the end of the day, it's not the be-all and end-all. There you are. I've just used 3 fixed expressions. As a matter of fact, in reality, at the end of the day means ultimately. Not the be-all and end-all means it's not the only important thing. Collocations are of the utmost importance. Collocations are words that go together, that sound natural to native English speakers. Collocations play a crucial role in speaking English fluently. Crucial and role fit together as a collocation. It's vital that you understand and use phrasal verbs if you want to put yourself across clearly and fluently. Put yourself across means to express yourself. So don't put off learning phrasal verbs. Don't put off means don't procrastinate. And finally, idioms. If you think that you can interpret idioms by knowing the meaning of the separate words, then you're away with the fairies. In other words, out of touch with reality. That's a lovely idiom, isn't it? Away with the fairies. Here's another. It's pie in the sky to think that you can use idioms without a lot of practice. Better to concentrate on understanding them rather than trying to use them initially until you feel really confident about them. I have a bee in my bonnet about the importance of learning chunks of language. Bee in my bonnet is another idiom. I know from my experience working as a teacher in schools and working as a teacher trainer that too little attention is paid to them. So let me reiterate. That means say once again. Of course, accurate grammar is important, especially if you're going to take an exam. But so too are chunks of language, chunks of English, if you wish to sound fluent. You can find links to my YouTube videos about using chunks in the description, so why not check them out? Finally, within the group, please do be proactive. Ask questions, have discussions with other members, join the chat groups. It's not meant to be just me posting with the help of Anna. Thank you, Anna Clau, who's Mexican and group expert and admin. But no one else seems to. And it would be great to see more of you taking part. Chat with each other. Say what your challenges are. Talk about successes you've had. Talk about problems you've had. Whatever. Just talk. If you're not using English, you're not learning. Okay? Well, that's it from me for now. As we say in the UK, I love you and leave you. Bye for now. See you soon.